everybody. I'm about to leave on a road trip through Switzerland for the next 4 nights, and the question is, what am I gonna pack? Most important, the camera. So I'm gonna bring my Nikon C7 with several lenses. So the one you see attached is a 28 to 300 millimeter. And then I'm gonna bring my sweet 14 to 30 millimeter. And the last lens I pack is another 14 to 24 millimeter f2.8 for star photography. Other than this, here's my tripod to stabilize the photographs. I also bring a remote shutter release. I'll also bring my drone, and of course the mobile phone is important. And do not forget to bring the charging devices for all the batteries. A lens cleaning set is also important for my camera, my drone, and my cell phone. This is important. This is a sensor cleaning set. While exchanging the lenses on the camera, the sensor is exposed to dust and dirt, and with this you can clean your sensor. Hey, by the way, there's a free book out there at my website lightsandbytes.com. It's all about planning tips for photographers. Go grab it. Hey, thanks for watching. It's time for some photo fun now. Bye now.